Everybody, today we are going to discuss about the top 4 technologies which will be in trending in the next 1 or maybe 5 years, so you can learn those technologies and upgrade yourself and be more valuable to your company or for your next company. So stay tuned for this video and learn those technologies in the next few minutes. The first technology we will be talking about is artificial intelligence and data science. You must have heard the term artificial intelligence, AI engineer, data scientist, machine learning engineer. So kind of these are all the jobs belongs to the one particular domain, which is artificial intelligence. So this particular domain has enormous growth in the past few years, and the next upcoming years it will be a more and more valuable job in the market. So like if we compare the data between the markets, like in the 2019 more than 27 billion in the 2019 year itself, and in the next 5 years it will be 266 billion in the 1 year itself. So indirectly it is pointing to this number of jobs and it will be increase. You can also think like every product in the market has some users, has some user experience, and the services which some companies are offering, it will be beneficial for the users and the companies who are providing those services. So this is the particular thing is all about the artificial intelligence. There are the huge demand in the next upcoming years for this particular domain. Go to this domain and upgrade yourself with this particular domain skills, so you will get a job and upgrade yourself to it for your future and your future career. This will be more beneficial for you. The next technology we will be talking about is cloud computing, which is the second most trending technology in the next upcoming years. So the cloud computing has already changed the way of computing, storage, and the infrastructure and the virtualization and more things. So if you want to compare the job market, so the previous year it was 200 billion worldwide, and the next year it will be more than this. So you can understand everything is on the cloud. If you want some hosting, website hosting, you can go to the cloud. If you want some storage, you can go to the cloud. If you want some computing power, go to the cloud. Everything is on the cloud, like Amazon, Azure, and the Google Cloud Platform. These are the companies which is providing the cloud services. So the job profile which will be in trending in the next upcoming years is like cloud administrator, cloud solution architect, cloud automation engineer, and the security manager. This is all about the cloud computing, and the salary ranges between these and the other job profiles is ranging from 12 lakh to 17 lakh based on the experience. If you have some more experience on these fields, you can achieve more than this, but minimum is the 12 lakh. And also there are some articles suggested that there are more than 5 lakh jobs has already been generated. More than 2 lakh profiles has already been filled. So there's a huge demand in the next upcoming years in the cloud computing domain. So the third most trending technology is cyber security. Cybersecurity is a field where everyone wants to their product to be secure, and every users wants to their data should be private, and they are more concerned about their privacy and their personal data. So there is a huge demand in the next upcoming years of cybersecurity specialist, solution architect, security administrator. These are the job profiles which will be in demand in the next upcoming years, and the salary ranges between 6 to 12 lakh, and it will be more than this based on your experience. And the job market is expected to be grown 350% per year. We have already seen the recent years there is a huge demand of these this kind of job like security specialist job, which will be in demand. And if you are planning to move your career in the security field, then you are good to go in this particular field. So the fourth most trending technology is robotic process automation. So this particular domain has already have a huge demand of new skilled people. The job market of this particular domain has increasing like 12 billion per year, and it will be more in the next upcoming years. And the companies who hire most of this skilled employee is UiPath, Blue Prism, Botree, Happiest Mind, Fingent, and there are some other companies which will hire these skilled employee. And the most hiring profile is the RPA developer, automation architect, and the RPA solution senior developer, RPA consultant, or if you are planning to move your career to this particular domain and you are good to go in this particular field. Apart from those profile which I have already shown you, is there are some other job fields or job domains which will be grow in the next upcoming years, like quantum computing, DevOps, virtual reality, blockchain. You must have heard these terms like quantum computing, virtual reality, blockchain, 5G. So there's a huge demand in the next upcoming years. There are some articles suggested that there are 265% demand in the next upcoming years. If you are planning to move your career to in this direction or in these job domains, you can good to go and upgrade yourself with these profiles.